So hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to drive a manual car as well as an automatic car. So here we have a 2021 Volkswagen Polo equipped with a manual shifter. So if we start from the very basics, so if the car right now is stationary on a flat surface, so what we can do is the car is already on, we already have the seat belt on. So the very first step that we should make sure that we don't have the handbrake engaged. To release the handbrake, make sure you always press the brake pedal for extra safety. You can release the handbrake by pressing this button, and then to engage first gear, what we can do this, press the clutch to the max, then get this shifter into first, and then release the clutch very slowly until you start feeling the biting point. Once you start feeling the biting point, the car will start to move, and then you can release it slowly as you see the car has started to move, and then you can release it completely and prod the accelerator. So in order to engage reverse gear in this particular car, what we are going to do is that we have to push this gear lever down and take it to the extreme left and push it here, and this is how you engage reverse gear in a Volkswagen Polo. In other cars you can see that you have to pull the gear lever up and then move it to the reverse, but in this particular car, we have to push the gear lever down, put it to the extreme left, and then put into the reverse gear, and you have to repeat the same steps of the clutch, that you have to release the clutch very slow, and once you start feeling the biting point, the car will start to move, and you can press the accelerator a very little so that the car does not stall. And as you can see, the car has started to move, and you can see the pedals here. I have started to lift the clutch slowly, very slowly, and the car is moving. So here we are now in an automatic car. This is a Skoda Octavia 1.8 TSI with a DQ200 gearbox. Now as you can see here, we have P for parking, R for reverse, N for neutral, drive mode, sports mode. So in order to get the car forward, first step is you press the brake pedal, release your handbrake, and here's a small lever ahead of the gear lever. Press that lever, put the car into drive, and once the car is in drive, you can release the brake pedal slowly, and as you will be releasing it very slowly, the car will creep forward. As you can see here, the car is now creeping forward, and this is how you start an automatic car. And now we'll stop it here. So now we are going to get this car into reverse. The first step will be pressing the brake pedal, getting this handbrake down, putting the gear lever into reverse mode, and then slowly lifting the brake pedal so that car can now go into reverse mode. And to make sure that the car does not jump, we'll apply the brake pedal just a little, so that the car does not go very hard. And as you can see here in the camera, the car is being reversed, and now we are close enough, so now we can stop. And by pressing the brake pedal, now we are getting the car into neutral and releasing the brake pedal and getting this up, and then pressing the brake pedal back and getting the car into park mode. And this is how you reverse an automatic car. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. So thanks, goodbye.